Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for uh, for novelty and gifts items business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free, get started. Okay, you have to sign up for free and it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. Okay, now click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Here we're gonna design and customize your home page. So click on the settings and go to the templates and select here the template you want to use. So for this topic, um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here for the gifts, for the gifts topic. So I'm gonna use this theme here. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the header in the menu and change your company name. You have to enter your company name. You have to manage this navigation menu. You can add the menu item. That's it. And the design of any section on your website, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive, to anyone can visit your site and attract to your website or your business. So don't forget the simple details, like the site logo, like the font, okay, like the size and like the color. Okay, uh, you can add the frame outline to make it more attractive. I rather to add this one, and the style on the background, I rather this grayscale transparent. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the cover and the headline. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. Add your title. So for example, in the title you can introduce your business. You can type to our site welcome to our site for gifts and novelty items. Okay, that's it. And the description here, you can change it. Of course you have to change this one here, and if this image match with your business, you can keep it just like this. Now let's move on to the design. So you have to choose your favorite layout here. Okay, and the description, I'm gonna change the font, and I have to change this the size. Okay, I'm gonna keep it just like this. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store. So here you have to create your own products. So to do that, go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. So as you see here, click new products. Okay, now you have to add the products gallery. Take picture of your products, add the name of your product, the ref, the weight on kilogram, and customize here the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. So after that, save this and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title and the product name, the product image, and the product price. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the about section. So here in the description you have to use this space to talk about your experience in your business and why should your customers use your services or buy from you. Okay, so you can talk about your products, your quality of your products and the offers, what your company offers to your customers. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So this is here nothing special. Add just the tagline, the title, and the description, and attractive description that match the title. And if this image match with your business, you can keep it just like this. It's much better. Okay, and the design, choose your favorite layout. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the customer reviews. Okay, I'm gonna use this title here, customer reviews. Okay, you can add the review text. Just click here, you can add the review text and the author name and the rating. The design, you can choose your favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the delivery information and the subtitle and the description. So here the description, of course you can choose your favorite one. Okay, now let's move on to the contacts. So here the same thing as normal here, the title and the description, and you can change this image if you want, you can keep it just like this. And here you have to enter your business address, and you have to enter your exact postal address or the plus code. Of course you have to add the daily hours. Okay, I'm gonna use this the subheading here. Now let's go back, and you can enter the contact information and the social profiles. And the design here, I rather to choose this layout here of the map and the background. It's much better than other ones here. That's it. Don't forget this the background and the title, the description. Now let's go back, let's move on. Now the last section here, the footer section, enter your company name for the copyright. Okay, and after this, if you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. The last thing here, you can just click here, publish. You can publish your website. Now your website will be published, you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.